wagon wonder. The folding cart that hauls it all, then disappears like magic. Tired of juggling bags like a circus act? Meet the Antifir Collapsible Wagon, your ultimate hauling sidekick for camping, shopping, sports, or any heavy-duty job. Built with a sturdy steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, this wagon isn't just tough, it's a game-changer. Haul firewood, groceries, garden tools, or a small mountain of gear without breaking a sweat. And when you're done? It folds down in seconds to disappear into your trunk, closet, or garage like it was never even there. Easy to use, easy to store, and built to last. Why struggle when you can roll in style? All-terrain wheels, because life doesn't happen on smooth pavement. Whether you're trekking through sand, grass, gravel, or bumpy festival grounds, the 360-degree swivel wheels make maneuvering a breeze. Unlike flimsy wagons that get stuck at the first sign of trouble, this beast glides over obstacles like a champ. Need to change directions? No problem. With ultra-responsive handling and an automatic rebound handle, you can steer this bad boy with one hand, no more awkward, back-straining pulling. From tailgates to farmers markets to beach bonfires, this wagon takes you, and all your stuff, anywhere you need to go. Removable wheels and fabric, compact storage, effortless cleaning. Ever tried shoving a bulky wagon into a tiny car trunk? Not fun. That's why this genius design lets you pop the wheels off at the push of a button for ultra-compact storage. Plus, the water-resistant, tear-proof fabric is completely removable, making it stupidly easy to clean. Spilled soda? Muddy gear? No worries, just wipe it down and keep rolling. Other wagons? They trap dirt, tear easily, and take up way too much space. This one? Sleek, sturdy, and ready for action whenever you are. Heavy-duty strength meets lightweight convenience. Don't let the lightweight frame fool you, this wagon is a hauling powerhouse. Unlike cheap plastic carts that crack under pressure, this reinforced steel beast can carry everything from camping gear to garden supplies without flinching. Need to move long or oversized loads? The open sides make it easy, giving you the flexibility to transport whatever you need, however you need. And since no assembly is required, you can unfold it and get rolling in seconds. Less effort, more carrying power, because your time and your back deserve better. Built to last, priced to impress, a smart investment for every adventure. Some wagons are overpriced disappointments, others fall apart in months, but this affordable workhorse brings premium performance without the premium price tag. Whether you're a camper, gardener, sports parent, or just someone sick of making multiple trips, this wagon saves time, money, and hassle like no other. Superior durability, unbeatable convenience, and smooth handling, all packed into a sleek, collapsible design that fits into your life without taking over your space. Click Add to Cart now and experience the ultimate hauling upgrade.